So you saw what happened? You saw what happened there? Watch this. I get uppercutted and then I try to shield back. So do you see that right there? That's why it's fucking dumb, man. If I get uppercut, I can't, like, do
you think Overwatch is in a good place at the moment? I think it's in the best place it's ever been. But I don't think it's good enough. I think there's like a few things that would just make it just objectively better. And by a few things I mean nerfing Widowmaker. Or Mercy. Or Zen. But I do think it's probably in the best spot it's ever been in.
Damage outdated, DPS overrated, Hanzo fans debated, quad tank activated. That was Grizzly's EP, and I now share your worldview in terms of why I don't want to watch too much of that. But let's go ahead and break it down. That was as close to a real life game.
Yeah, dude. Like, but I'm making some calls. Shit is fucking cool.
Whoa, what's going on?
So good, dude.
What is that, bro? What is that? Dude, that was a bomb! Wait, what the fuck? Did anyone see that? That was a Junkrat nade. It was stuck. It was bouncing, like, what the fuck? What was that Junkrat bomb? Ah, shit. It's like fucking Happy Gilmore. Fuck off! No!
Water hazard.
Sad I used the Nene joke coming out of the last one because I can't use it now. Nene has just looked absolutely disgusting in this series. I mean, he is absolutely on fire.
Yeah, and it's what to be expected, right? Where we knew he was very good last season, where he was playing from Korea and, you know, did have a bit of a ping disadvantage, but as far as I know, he is in America now, so he doesn't have that handicap, and my goodness, he has been playing out of his mind so far, and if XL2 can rely on Nene, I mean, Flower who? Nanohana who? Nene is who I'm looking at.
I'm stopped.
That guy's fucking hacking! That's fucking hacking!
I'm back in the game. Wait, let me.
What should be in the place of the question mark?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. What face? This is such a joke.
It should be the letter R, because this is the pattern of a shifting gear. Without changing the order of the numbers.
Dude, what a dog shit video. What a dog shit video.
Oh, they fucked up their combo at least. Okay, they use every single ult in the book. Wait, what? That guy's fucking hacking.
Yeah, the PPQ guy's hacking. What?
Yeah. I was thinking that.
Wait, you guys watch kill cams?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I was watching, like, looked at our group.
So very important for New Paradigm to be able to get themselves stabilized again. They can do that with the Transcendence. They can do that with themselves. A Dragon Blade. Orion gets a sick reflex.
Yeah, that is phenomenal. Straight into that ultimate. That is beautiful. Getting both Chloe and Medic there was huge. Those were the crucial ultimates that EXL sorely needed. They will still have those ultimates here, but now they are entirely reliant on them. And if New Paradigm can slow EXL...
I thought we'd have... Okay, I thought I could tank that. He went for me first over anyone else? Damn. PC9, are you serious? Alright, well I killed everybody, but we see 9, so that sucks.
Just went to pick a fight, went to back away from one. But CHG do still need to address the cut. They can't just let it go on through. Pulse bomb out to the middle of nowhere, yeah. They do at least catch Claire. kenolinio wearing the haHAA trousers, though. Now haHAA's got to answer back in kind and snapping. What? He just did it. Huss, though, is going to go down. I still don't know if they've really got the numbers here. There is haHAA. Trill is booking it back towards the point. They've got kenolinio out of the mech. Tongue on the point with the Transcendence as well as they try and speed in.
Trill's on Soldier.
Playing taxi service, yeah. Trying to sprint with that shift click as they're getting the kills. They're collecting a few. Claire is down, but Anakin's not done. They're trying to trade a few back. Res on Samurai to try and anchor the team down as they've got haHAA. They're looking to close out on Trill by the skin of their teeth, by the seat of their pants, and they're still not done. Both teams back and forth. 12 health on Anakin, trying to get rid of CKM, but it's us doing the work, and they have done it.
Do you see a lot of profile at this winning? Yeah, there's a lot actually. There's a bunch. I think there's like half an hour. That's decent. I'm gonna be fine.
Shattered, okay.
Dude, there's a...
I got you.
Kill Mercy! Kill Mercy! Kill Mercy! Mercy dead!
Oh,
I got the gun! I got the gun! Lucio! Kill Lucio! He's one! He's one! Kill Lucio, please! Yo, let's fucking go!
Holy shit!
Boys.
We fucking cut the grab, dude!
I just stalled that for like... Oh my god.
armor.
Yeah, I know.
XQC got grabbed in the air.
Dude, I body tanked the grab. I never seen this before.
The unknown save.
Wait, was that on purpose though or no?
Of course not. What the fuck, dude? I have like 9 IQ IRL. Chill the fuck out.
Okay.
Alright. This is undeniable. This is when you go like this is undeniable evidence. This is when you can accuse someone right with one clip, right? Dude, that's a sub sound. That's a sub sound. That was really good.
Okay, you see? Wait, I'm still... What the fuck?
No break. Did it.
Dodge check, sure, everything, buddy.
Oh, guys, this Tracer's doing whatever she wants.
Whoa! 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 Zenyatta, what the fuck? What was that?
Hi.
Anyway, I mean, we're off. I was just about to make a stupid joke about Route 66. CKM though, he's the real one getting the last laugh there. Now collecting Claire as well. Another kill into the head to adorn his wall. Blank just keeping the momentum going at this point. CKM
he's having a game.
Circles around everyone. Now he's looking to get the wraparound on kenolinio. Wouldn't be surprised if there we go. There it comes up on the kill feed. CKM kills kenolinio. No one left here really for Cyclops Athlete Gaming to contest. Finally getting Debt back on the Widowmaker, but Huss has got all the sightlines.
By the way, CKM just used a pulse bomb to get a double kill, gets another pulse bomb already waiting. Cyclops Athlete Gaming right now, what is going on? The tables have turned so rapidly. I feel like we're watching a totally different match.
Yeah. 2 times in a row now.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, I love this. Jesus fucking Christ.
XQC. Whoa, the good luck, you low! Oh, okay. Well, I don't care, XQC.
Jesus Christ, man!
Yes.
Jesus fucking.
Louder, feels good, man. Clap.
Or kill all of them, thinking.
Formidable, respectable win here. It's Hong Kong Attitude able to recover, finding spaces. Hong Kong Attitude dictating most of the game, and Incipient's just kind of playing in that game. It didn't feel that way for Blank versus CAG. It felt like either team could really take it when their moment was there, but CAG just had the edge. This match so far, off of one map, and I will say it's a small sample size, but King's Roar is where Incipient seems to show now.
Yeah.
They can take the bull by the horns.
I mean, keep in mind, Control is a very different beast. It's a very different kettle of fish, and a lot of the things Incipients were trying to force on Control in places where they really didn't work can be absolutely devastating on King's Road. I'm definitely expecting to see far stronger Widowmaker play on both sides here. We've also got...
Or just kill him.
I think we're dead.
You guys are dead. Me and Cody are alive.
I don't think we can do this one.
You guys can do it, 2v2.
I got pinned. Wait, you're huge.
He shattered me, dude. We literally. Oh, we had him.
Wait. Oh my God. Your heroes are so broken. Your heroes are.
Thanks for the tips. I got to rank 7777777777777.
The charge from XQC gets it.
From downtown, boys.
Hanzo on top.
Fuck, another one. Another one.
Hanzo Mercy,
Did they patch the fucking donation bots? He's so broken.
What do you see other than a bull?
I see butt cheeks.
When you flip the Bulls logo upside down, it looks like a robot reading a book on a park bench.
Okay. Of course he does it. And of course he does it.
Oh, I'm dead. I've grabbed. Oh,
Dude, this guy just looks sketchy as fuck.
Let me try to grab here.
Dude, I don't care. Dude, if it's I feel really bad, dude. I saw a picture of him hanging out with his own snipers. You know, like he wasn't like the spotlight anymore. He was like an Andy to his own Andy show, right? And I felt really bad about that. You know what I mean? I feel like he was an Andy. I guess what we could say is he was Andy. That's not a good spot to be in, I think. You never want to be Andy.
Nice.
Damn, dude.
I bubble.
I'm not playing PUBG. You grab at it every day. Come on, bro. Two. Block his.
I got shattered. I got shattered.
Zen one.
On cards.
Dude, how am I bad at every game? I got everything. Jesus Christ.
Stick to the plan, and if you get into trouble, I'll bail you out. Patience. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
He's low.
What did I miss? Okay, get out all the way, like, get the fuck out.